Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Jovi TV, and today we're not going to be doing anything Corvette related, but instead this is going to be more of a Tacoma video. And today we're going to be installing a upTOP Overland roof rack, and I got an ExtremeLED light bar 38-inch with a dual function. The amber lights are the floodlights and the clears are spots. It's going to look sick. So as you can see, I already unboxed the light bar. I already checked it, looks good. Packaging was pretty solid. And then this is the roof rack. Just gonna start unboxing this now. They were not playing around when they wrapped these things. Alright, so this seems to be one of the load bars. Alright guys, so this is the front fairing, and it's designed to fit my light bar. See the outlines right there? I'm not sure if you can see it from the camera, but you know, it's gonna look good. I already know it. Alright, and these are the spacers that they have for your light bar, and all the hardware and the brackets with it. So it says here, Taco Bravo passenger. Alright, and these seem to be the rest of the load bars right here. Oh, I might need a wrench. What they want you to do is to install these ones first, the front and the two rear load bars. Two fixed position load bars, yeah, so the ones with the holes in them. Yeah, let's go do that. Okay, I'm not gonna tighten these all the way, not until I finalize all the placement. Right, and then we just do the same with the other one, the rear. I knew I forgot something. I always like to use Loctite on screws. Just a little bit of security always goes a long way. Alright, now that the fixed ones are in, I should be able to put in the last four into the grooved ones. Alright, so now I have the brackets over here, and they have them labeled A, B, C, and D. So A and B are both on the driver's side, C and D are on the passenger side. A goes in the front, B goes in the back, and A goes into this hole right here, nearest to the fairing. I'm just gonna bolt these in. And I always like to use anti-seize lubricant. It always helps in the future in case you need to take stuff off. Alright guys, now that we have the feet installed, next thing we gotta do is remove the weather seals of the Tacoma. Alright, so we're just gonna take this, kind of lift it up. Easy. And then it should lift right out. And then it says in the instructions you gotta be careful with this adhesive over here. And try not to kink the stripping itself, because there's a piece of long metal that kind of runs along the inside of it. And there we go, comes off nice and easy. And here are the stickers, or I don't know what they are, but this is where they hide the holes over this film over here. All right, so now we're just gonna punch holes into these. You can actually feel like it kind of give way, a little soft there. So that's where I'm gonna punch. There we go. All right, do it same thing here. Other one's right here. Alright, so you just do the same with the other side. Alright guys, so next thing I'm going to do is going to use this masking tape to mark the center of each of these holes. Okay, so now at this point we're going to be temporarily reinstalling the weather strip for placement. Okay. So now we're pretty much just going to follow the line here. Of where we're going to punch the hole. And it should be right in the middle. So this is arguably one of the trickier parts of the install. Just gotta be patient. As with all things, take your time, especially when dealing with cars. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this hole punch I got recommended from the instructions. It is a 3/4 of an inch or 19 millimeter size, and we're going to make holes according to where we marked earlier. Just want to get it like right in the middle and hammer away. Just make sure you don't miss. There we go. That's one. I'm gonna grab gloves. Don't want to risk it. That's all of it. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is reinstall the weather strips back I already took off the tape from what I marked before, and that seems about right. Yep, clearly see the holes. This one you just gotta lift up, put that down because it overlaps. There you go, voila. Alright, so before I go and seal it up with just regular silicone, I'm gonna test fit the spacers, and they kindly labeled it, so that's good. So these are the spacers that go in the front, rear spacers here. Okay. Alright guys, so in this part of the video I'm finally going to be putting in the silicone. I'm just using 100% silicone, it's water resistant enough. Make a good seal in these holes.